So welcome to my channel. Today, so far we have done exercise 2.2. So today we are going to do division algorithm for polynomial. So here we will do the example. All the examples will complete and we'll proceed to exercise. Okay, then after we'll proceed to exercise. So what the division algorithm for polynomials is? Okay, it is similar to the division of the normal fraction or numbers. Okay, so we have done that. If we divide 25 by 4, then what were the numbers? Okay, what were the outcomes? 4, 25, we got 24, remainder 1. This was our divisor, and this was the dividend, and this was quotient and the remainder. In similar manner, okay, same division algorithm is applicable to the polynomials. Okay, if we divide a polynomial with another polynomial, then the same result, okay, it will verify with the same result as were in the Euclid's division lemma. It is nothing but in polynomial we'll denote this divisor by gx and dividend as qx and quotient px and quotient as qx and remainder rx. Okay, so you need to understand what the division algorithm for polynomial states, that if px and gx, okay, these px and gx are the two number or two polynomial, in such a way the degree of px must be greater than the degree of gx. Here the number px, okay, dividend must be greater than divisor. Here also the degree of px must be greater than gx. Are two polynomials. It is always given in the question, two polynomial, we need to divide this polynomial px by gx. Are any two polynomials with gx not equals to 0. This implies that the value of gx must not be 0. If it is 0, then we can't divide. In order to avoid such thing, here the condition is given. Then we can find polynomial qx. Okay, this is qx. Qx means the quotient. We will find the polynomial qx and rx such that, and the rx means remainder, such that what the formula were, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In similar manner, px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient, and rx is remainder. Only the things is different is here it contains the algebraic expression with variable x. That's only the difference. Where rx equals to 0, the remainder can be 0 or less than, or degree of rx is less than degree of gx. Okay, it should be lesser than this divisor. In similar manner, the remainder is lesser than the divisor. This is the normal definition. So we will proceed to example 6. Okay, we will learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. You need practice. So one by one, example 6, I'll do example 6, 7, 8. Okay, example 6, what the question is saying, divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1. We have to divide x plus 2 by x plus 2. Okay, first note the highest degree from divisor. It is the highest, so I'll select this one, this term, and here is highest. Which one the highest degree? This is the highest degree. I need to focus this term by this term. What is here sign? Here is positive, so I need to bring here positive. So here is plus, plus into plus, plus, sign is done. Okay. So x how many times will be 2x square? X 2 into x, 2x. If I put here x, then x into 2x, 2x square. How? X into 2x equals to, here is 1, 2, 1, 2, x into x, x square. So 2x square. When there is positive sign, and we have to put negative sign, so that this sign will be neglected. Okay, this sign will be neglected, and we'll consider this a new sign. So plus into minus, minus, then it is cancelled out. Here is another term. We have to divide, multiply this by this, and this by this. Plus into plus, plus 2 into 2, 4 into x, 4x. Here is plus, then opposite sign we have to put. So plus into minus will be the subtraction. So bigger, the sign of the bigger number is minus, so minus x, then as it is plus 1. So here the degree is equal, so again it will go. Here I have to introduce negative sign. So here is plus, what I have to multiply with? Here if I multiply with minus, then plus into minus, minus, it is satisfied. Always target this number, the highest degree number, okay, the variable. So x how many times? 1 x, x1 x. So here is positive, so it will cancel out. Plus, minus into plus, minus, it will be 0. Plus into minus, minus 2, 1, 2. Here is negative, so I'll put positive. So plus into plus, plus, it will be addition. 2 plus 1, 3. In this way we will solve everything. Okay, here px was 2x square plus 3x plus 1, which is dividend. Means this is the dividend which I have to divide by gx, means x plus 2, and qx, it was my number, okay, new number, this and this, 2x minus 1. And what is rx? Rx is 3, not 0. Okay, this is the example 6. So we'll move to example 7. What the question is saying? Divide 3x is cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Here I need to divide this polynomial by this polynomial. So in order to write 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, see the order here, the order is maintained. Here is cube, square, then x, then constant, so it is maintained. But here in case it is in opposite, okay, I need to reverse the order because it is in descending order, okay, ascending order, so I need to maintain in descending order. So x square will be first, then after 2x, then 1. So here what is the highest degree? Here this term has a highest degree, and here this term has highest degree. I need to focus this with this only, then I have to multiply 1 by 1 with these two numbers also. X square, here is plus sign, here is also plus sign. I need to introduce plus, so I need here plus, plus into plus, plus x square how many times will be the 3x square? I need to introduce 3. So if I introduce 3x, then x square into 3x, 3x square, it will be 3x, sorry, cube. How? X square into 3x. You have to guess this number by looking this number. Here is 1, 3, 1, 3, x square into x, here is 1, base is same, power will add, then 3x cube. Opposite sign, it will cancel out. I have done with this number, so I have to try with this term also. 3 into 2, 2 into 3, sorry, plus into plus, plus 2 into 3, 6, x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus 1 into 3x, 3x. Here will be the opposite sign. See here, this plus sign and this plus sign will be neglected. This term 6x square has new sign, okay, this will be the considered, this will consider. So plus into minus, minus 6 is bigger than 1, so the negative sign will come down. 6 minus 1, 5x square, plus into minus, minus, the bigger sign is negative because 3 is bigger than 2, so it will be x plus 5. It is done. So the term here is also, the highest degree is x square, here is also square, so they are equal. Once more it will go. X square, how many? I need to introduce sign first. Plus into minus, so that I can get negative sign. X square, how many times? 5x square, x into 5, 5 into x square, 5x square. So positive sign, it will cancel out. Plus into minus, minus 2, 5, 10x, plus into minus, minus 1 into 5, 5. Negative, then opposite sign, negative, opposite sign, plus into minus, minus, but see here, 10 is bigger than 1, so the new sign, according to new sign, 10 will have this positive sign, so 10 minus 1 will be 9x. So plus into plus, plus 5 plus 5, 10. So this was the exercise 7, example 7, sorry. So here are px, qx, quotient will be 3x minus 5 and rx is 9x plus 10 is the rx. So moving on, next example, okay, example 8. What the example 8 is saying? Divide, example 8, divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square, and verify the division algorithm. We need to verify also, okay. So we will do one by one. See here, the arrangement is not in the proper order, so first we will rearrange. So minus x cube, then plus 3x square, and minus 3x plus 5. This is the proper order. It is in descending order, the power of x. Here is also the sign is there is no order, so I will maintain the order. First minus x square plus x, then minus 1. When this will come here, then there will be no change in sign. I have already said in last lecture. So here is sign is negative, so I need to introduce here, see the highest degree term, okay. So I need to introduce negative sign. Here is negative. If I put negative, then it will be minus minus plus, so it will not be. So if I put plus, then minus into plus, minus x square, how many times? X cube, x into x square into x, it will be x cube. Here negative, then positive, negative positive cancels out, so plus into plus, plus x into x, x square, done. Here negative sign, minus into plus, minus 1 into x, x, here will be positive sign, so it is cancelled out. Plus into minus, minus, see the 3 is greater than 1, so it has positive sign attached, so it will be 3 minus 1 2x square. Minus into plus, it will be minus, but bigger sign is negative, so I'll put the sign negative. 3 minus 1 2x plus 5. These two terms are similar, so here is the plus sign, means I need to introduce plus sign. So minus into minus plus. How many x square, how many times will be the 2x square? It will be 2x square. So opposite sign, it will cancel out. Plus into minus, minus 2 into x, 2x, it will be positive. Minus into plus, it will cancel out. Minus into minus, plus 1 into 2, 2, and here will be negative sign. These two cancels out, so minus into plus into minus, it will be minus 3. Remainder will be 3. So what the question is saying, and verify the division algorithm. So we need to verify the division algorithm also. What we have found here, px was minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. This was our px. Dividend. Divisor was gx. Gx was minus x square plus x minus 1. And what was our qx? Qx was x minus 2. And rx remainder was 3. Verification. What we need to verify? The divi, de, and t, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so we need to verify this statement. Dividend was our px, divisor was our gx, quotient was our qx, plus what was remainder? Rx. So we'll do with left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side, px. Px was our minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. This was our left hand side. What was right hand side? Right hand side means gx plus qx plus rx. What was our gx? Gx was our minus x square plus x minus 1. What was our qx? X minus 2 plus remainder was 3. So I need to multiply first this term, x into minus into plus, here is plus, plus into minus, minus x into x square, x cube. Done with this number, then I'll try with this, x into x plus, plus into plus, plus x into x, x square, and plus into minus, minus x1 x. So done with this number, then I'll try with this 2, minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square, minus into plus minus. See, I'll try with this number, 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus 2 1 2 plus 3, minus x cube, they are same, so it will 3x square, minus into minus, it will be addition, but bigger sign is negative, so I'll take negative, it will be 3x, minus minus, it will be plus, so I will add with negative sign because the higher term is negative, plus 3 plus 2 is 5. See, left hand side and right hand side are equal, so it is verified. Okay, since LHS equals to RHS, hence verified. This was the another. Okay, example 9. Example 9. What the question is saying: find the zeros of given polynomial. Okay, so I'll do example 9. Given px, it is given px polynomial is given 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is the type of question which is usually asked in 3 marks in board exam. Okay, end term examination. So what the question is saying, you know the two zeros are this and this. So given two zeros are, this is x equals to given, okay, x equals to root 2 and x equals to minus root 2, okay, minus root 2. So we are going in reverse direction. We have to solve like this, in this way. Okay, if this comes this side, then what happens? X minus root 2, okay, and x plus root 2, okay. Or I'll do so, or see here the formula a minus b, a plus b. The formula we will use is a minus b, a plus b will be a square minus b square. So here we are doing in reverse direction. We are going reverse direction. I have done like that, x minus root 2, x plus root 2. If it was, then we will go in down direction, in that direction. How we have done this? We will say either x minus root 2 equals to 0, or x plus root 2 equals to 0, or x going that side it will be root 2, or x going that side will be minus root 2. See here what the question is giving the last term. Okay, at the end we have to go at a reverse direction in order to get that polynomial. Okay, if I use that formula with a minus b, a plus b, so it will be a square minus b square, means x square minus root 2 square. If I go further up, okay, upward direction, it will be x square root 2 cancel minus 2. This was the required polynomial. Okay, this was the polynomial. So we moved in opposite direction, remember this. So we'll use this formula. So using this formula, a square means x square, b square means root 2 square, or x square minus 2. In class 9 we have seen that if it is the zeros, okay, if it is the zeros, root 2 and minus root 2 is the zeros of this number, then by factor theorem, what the factor theorem says, x square minus 2 is a factor of px according to factor theorem. It is in class 9. So means this polynomial will divide this polynomial completely. The remainder will be 0 according to factor theorem. Okay, so here up to here done. So now dividing. Okay, now we have to divide this by this. Okay, now dividing px, this px by x square minus 2. So we'll divide 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. What was our question? X square minus 2. So in similar manner, here is plus, here is plus. So I need to introduce plus sign here. So plus into plus, plus. X square, how many times? 2x to the power 4, 2x square. How? X into x square into, see here, x square into x square. Base same, power will add. So x to the power 4. If I introduce 2, 2, 1, 2, so it will be 2x to the power 4. Always remember, x into x square will be x 4 to the power 4. Your opposite sign negative, it will cancel out. Minus into plus, minus 2 into 2, 4 x square. See, we must keep the term beside the similar term. Okay, here is power 2, here is power 2. I cannot keep here because the term is different, it will not subtract. So that is why the reason is that. So it will come without changing the sign because I haven't touched this. So minus into plus, minus, but the bigger term is, the higher term is positive, so it will be positive. 4 minus 3 will be x square plus 6x minus 2. So here x square x cube. I need to introduce negative sign, so I will write here minus, because plus into minus, minus x square. How many times 3x square? 3x. How? 3 1 3 x square into x, x cube. So it will be positive sign and it will cancel out. Minus into minus plus. 2 into 3x, 6x. It will be negative sign, it will cancel out. So remaining x square minus 2. So here I need to introduce positive sign. So in order to positive, plus into plus, plus x square 1 x square, minus into plus, minus 2 into 1 2, here opposite sign, here opposite sign, then the remainder is 0. Up to here it is done. Okay, so I found, what I found here is qx and rx. Okay, now qx equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Gx is c x square minus 2. Gx is this, and rx is 0. Rx is 0. So using division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? States qx will be equal to gx into qx plus rx. This means that I can factorize this px, okay, this whole to the power 4 in two different parts. Okay, how? See, qx was our 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. I can write gx. What was our gx? X square minus 2. And what was our qx? Qx was our 2x to the power minus 3x plus 1, and remainder was 0, and it will be like that. See here what the mathematical term is saying. Okay, trying to say. See here, the power 4 is splitted into square term. Okay, in quadratic, here are two quadratic equation. Okay, this is biquadratic equation. Power 4 means power 4, and it is simplified or factorized into different polynomial. Okay, this is quadratic and this is also quadratic. I know I know x to the power 4 means it will have 4 zeros. Okay, value of x. From here I already got the two values. See what were the value? Root 2 and minus root 2. So two value is already I have. So I need to find other two value from this quadratic equation. So I will solve this quadratic equation and I will find the other two zeros. Okay. Now why this was the application of division algorithm for polynomial, because if I use that polynomial, then I can factorize this higher, okay, to the power 4. I cannot do middle term split, I cannot take common anything, but I have to use division algorithm in order to split the middle, or I need to factorize the two terms. It will be easy. Okay, now 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So I need to factorize as by middle term. Okay, it has three terms, so I'll do middle term splitting. Minus, I'll copy same, I'll write here x, here plus 1. So plus into plus, plus 2 into 1 2. So I'll factorize 2 1 2 means 2 plus 1 will be 3, or 2x square minus into plus, minus 2 into x, 2x, minus into minus, plus 1 into x, x plus 1. So I'll take out common from here, this two side and this two side. Yeah, what is the common? Yes, 2 is also common and x is also common. 2 into x, 2x square minus 2x1, 2x plus, what will be the common? Here is nothing common, but 1 will be the always the common. Okay, x plus into plus 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 into plus plus 1. So see, sorry, here it will be minus into plus minus, okay, it will be minus. So minus into minus, it will be plus. So see here, the middle term, these terms are similar, so I'll take it outside. Okay, when I take this out, then it will be x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So I'll find x minus 1 equals to 0, or 2x minus 1 equals to 0, or x, it will go that side, it will be 1, or 2x, it will go that side, it will be negative, then it will be positive. So I need to only this, here is multiplication, it will divide, then x equals to 1 by 2. So other two zeros are, what are the other two zeros? 1 and half. Okay, so what the question is saying, two zeros. Okay, therefore required zeros are 1 and half. This was the solution of example 9. So thank you for watching.